In June of 2015, the United States Supreme Court ruled that same-sex couples could marry in the U.S. However, earlier this week, Alabama Chief Justice Roy Moore ordered Alabama probate judges not to issue same-sex marriage licenses. And with the spotlight set on the state of Alabama, a few Troy students shared their opinion about the recent decision.
I think it's kind of foolish, honestly. I think it's a closed-minded aspect right there because it's like, they're just want to be happy, instead of taking that happiness. They're just taking the happiness away from them.
As a Christian, I don't support gay marriages, but as a person, I do believe that gays have rights just as well as everyone else. And so I feel, who is Roy Moore to go against federal government?
I feel like they're wrong for trying to probate that because, let's face it, the only person that can judge us is not the people. God can judge us. And it's like, if they want to do the same-sex marriage, let them do it.
One Troy student poses a question that prevents her from taking a stance.
If we're just looking at it from an objective standpoint, then I don't know if states have the right to say no to what the federal government decreed, so I would be ignorant as to say what they can or cannot do if I'm not aware of the laws on that.
Recent same-sex rulings have influenced some Trojans' thoughts as to what will happen next.
The federal government may have to step in. There's been other things like the Kentucky clerk who was, not issuing license, and they stepped in that situation. So I think sadly they may step in and it could become like a problem for him.
I think that eventually, the government is going to end up making it a law. So what he's doing right now is legal, and I don't agree with it. But I don't think that just because you believe in something, you have to be against it. You attract more bees with honey than, you would with vinegar.
Ryan Renfro, Troy, TrojanVision News.